Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Malibu key fob. Programming a new key fob for your Chevy Malibu can seem daunting, but it's often a straightforward process you can do yourself. Before we begin, ensure all vehicle doors are completely closed and gather every key fob you wish to program. Having all fobs present is crucial, as some methods will erase previously programmed ones if not included in the current session. Let's get started. If you already have one working key fob, adding another is quite simple. First, insert your existing, programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately back to off, removing it within 5 seconds. Next, insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for 5 seconds. Finally, turn the new key to off. Your new key fob should now be programmed and ready to use. If you lack an existing working key, this manual method is effective. First, unlock the driver's door, enter, and close all doors. Hold the driver's door unlock button while inserting your key into the ignition. Turn the key to on, then off, then on, then off quickly. Release the unlock button, the door locks will cycle. Next, press and hold unlock and lock on your key fob until the doors cycle again. Finally, insert the programmed key into the ignition to on to complete the process. If your key fob programming doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. First, check that your key fob has a fresh battery, as a weak battery can prevent successful programming. Some advanced systems might require a longer, approximately 30-minute, programming cycle, so patience is key. If you continue to experience difficulties, it's best to consult a certified dealership or an automotive locksmith for professional assistance. Remember to program all your key fobs in a single session to ensure they all remain active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.